Hello, everybody. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Hope you're doing great. Hope it was a good day for you guys. I need air conditioner on. And we start the day. First things to do is to check the levels for today. Market just opened it right now. Let's see the main levels of today first. I need a few levels. What is it? Level. Big push yesterday. Big push, not really. What the freaking happened yesterday, guys? So not really. Yesterday was horrible, by the way. We had a nice push. Right now we are open at the same level, 400. We are kind of level at 330, 335. 335. That's what I have a level right now. 35.50. Let's put it in the chart here. Hello, 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 Matthias. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming and watch the guy losing money. 459 is my next level. Just, oh my God, just here. We are very close at it. 459 is just close there above. And after that, we don't have anything up to 714. No. Okay, that's very interesting. Hi, Bruce. I'm trying to use Apex. Let me know if you need any question. Let me know if you need any question. Let me know if you have any question, Bruce Lee. I really like your name. You can ask me anything, and I will be happy to guide you if you have any questions, any misunderstanding. You can tell me anything. I will be happy to help you. Hello, PR. Our PR makes us enter in every disco in the club in the world. That's why we have it here with us. Hello, Abdel. Let's see. Market. What is this chart? 1 minute. 9:30 here. Yeah, need to right now evaluate how is the situation right now with the stocks. Stocks just opened. Not the best stocks ever, but let's see if we're gonna get a push today. We open it higher, we're correcting lower right now. I'm looking at Apple holding there. I might get a stub just because I like, if we get a support here, I might get a stub long. A stub long. Hello, Aaron. Good morning, brother. Yo, we have Aaron Trades. Aaron Trades, the king of gold futures, the king of futures in general. Hello, Christopher. Hello, guys. Looking at the stocks right now, they're correcting lower, so I'm not gonna get right away in. I'm just waiting to see some confirmation from Apple and the main stocks there, and they're correcting. Tesla is coming down. Google is holding. Nvidia on the low side, but it seems holding right now. So if we get a nice strong push right here, I might get in to get at least to the 458 levels that I have there above. Do you need to trade anymore with the bull run in gold? Aaron trades. Do you need to trade anymore? But he trades really huge. I would advise you to follow him, guys, because he's one of the only guy that I will advise you. Just follow him, and he live streamed during London and Asian session, and he's very precise trader. He does not take bullshit trades. His win rate is high. his way of trading. So, but he day trades it. He day trades it. He does not swing it. He day trades it, for what I know. So he enters and he short as well. He finds short as well on the gold side. He finds shorts. He finds longs. He finds anything. We're coming down. 35. First 5 minutes are over. Definitely useless 5 minutes right now here. Closing at the same. Closing with just wicks around. Bruce Lee, welcome. So first things, as always, Bruce Lee. Before you start to trade, learn the rules, learn the platform you're gonna use to trade, and trade very small until you get comfortable with it. Understand the trailing drawdown you have with Apex. Yes, the test account. The main problem for the test account with the Apex is that you have to. The only rule you have is don't blow the account, and the only things to blow it is by kicking the trailing drawdown. So the trailing drawdown is important. So check that one. Check how it works. Check how it follows your unrealized peak balance, and trade with the correct size. If you're new at trading and you're not yet profitable, use the valuation as your main account. It's like it's not a test account, but it's like a main account. It's like your real money. Trade it with the correct risk management, because if you are not able to follow your rules on a valuation account, it's very, I would say, almost impossible you're gonna follow rules in the PA account. So keep it simple and nice. Morning, Matt. Morning, Matt. If you have any question, let me know. I can reply to anything about Apex that are related to trading side, platform side, rules, payout side, almost everything I know. Oh, wow. We had a nice push in Apple, but nothing in the... Wow. Might look for buying here, guys. If I see this coming back above, I'm gonna buy. This is huge push. I'm gonna buy it. Just follow the break of the highs of Apple. Let's see. Amazon is pushing, Apple is pushing, everything is pushing there. I'm gonna buy. Let's see how I'm gonna get screwed, but these are evaluations. We give it the lows, or anyway, we're gonna give it how the candle evolves, but I'm trusting right now that the main stock like Apple and Amazon is pushing, Microsoft is pushing. The only one that are not pushing are the one that keeping it down right now is Tesla and Nvidia, but we look for their bounce. Morning, Bruce. Okay. I said again, Bruce. Morning, Active Trader Society. Bruce Lee. Usually, I will not take a trade against the opening print level, but I really like the fact that Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon pushed at the highs. So I'm playing that. So right now, I want to see this. If this candle starts to be weak, I might call myself out of it, but I'm looking into it. Okay, Nvidia right now start to bounce. That's it. That's what we were looking for. Give it to us. Give it a continuation. Give us the continuation. By the way, market very slow these days. You can see it as well from the ATR. It's not the same as before anymore, guys. It's not anymore as before. We don't have any more 40 ATRs. We don't have any more crazy candles. We're getting really slow moves in the last period. I might flatten this position and wait until this thing goes back above. Still holding it right now. 10 seconds. Can we get a closing above the opening print level? This will help a lot. Okay. 3, 2, 1. That's nice. Ooh, oh, not really. It came it close below. Come on. It's attempting right now there to close above. Apple is holding. That's what we were looking for. Come on. Apple is trying. Apple is trying. I looked at Apple. The only idea why I entered in this position was Apple and Amazon pushing high. That's the only things I went in this position. Let's see if I can get something out of it. I want these highs here, 450s, the next level, but who knows? We keep it. We keep it. 5 more minutes for the next 15 minutes break. That's our first break of the day. We need this candle to close strong, or we might have just weekly there. We wait. It seems a day of bad weeks. So we try to be careful, guys. As much as we want to try to make money, let's avoid bad mistakes. Perfectly done, Master. Thank you, Master. You entered early and see how the NQ came in after a few minutes. Yes. That's why I entered. I was like, it does not make sense. It's coming that strong lower. It does not make sense. It is going to break low when Apple at the same time is breaking the highs. So let's try to get along and see where we can take it. Definitely, we have some stocks that are pulling it down, but right now they're as well bouncing. And look at this, beautiful. If we break the highs, I will add. Yeah, I have all of them here. Microsoft, nicely push as well there. Beautiful. 1 second there. I'm gonna add. I give you the 6. I'm adding right now. Give me more. Give me more. Give me more. I'm greedy. I'm greedy. Give me more. Oh no. Don't pull back on me like that. After I trusted you. Push. Oh my God. Okay. No worries. No worries. Yes, one question. Is the volume in future a mix of the stocks or is the contract future volume? That's all you need, my friend. Let's see. I might have to be careful on this position right now. Now, maybe I got a bit too aggressive with it, but still looked amazing. I'm gonna add there. Let's see if I'm gonna get screwed, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa! Luckily, my evaluations account, guys. Wow, wow! Glad they were evaluations account. I blew 2 of them. No, oh, they're still running. Oh, glad they were evaluation account, guys. They're still running. Oh no, I did not blew them. They're still active. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Oh no, they're still in good state. They're still in good state. My God. Damn it. I was a strong rejection. Oh, that looks bad for today. First 15 minutes. Yeah, no, it makes, but also it's just evaluation. I'm oversighting. When there are PA accounts trading this way, I'm not gonna trade with a mini contract. I will trade probably with 2 macros, 2 macros, removing, adding. Do we have news, guys, soon? I was really bad. Tuesday, 10 a.m. We have consumer confidence, 10 a.m. 45 right now. This freaking, I'm gonna wait to see what I'm gonna do, but for the moment, I'm looking if I should short. No, Apple is strong. Amazon is strong. I'm not. It seems today is gonna be a day of fake out people again. But okay, I'm gonna give myself a good vote here. The idea of entry, maybe adding too strong, maybe was a mistake, but not even. I think my problem is I should have called myself out if I was getting a strong rejection right away, because when you are in a good position, adding, I should not close it in red. Oh freaking hell! What did I do here? And Q and 5. Just do partial. Yeah. In my funded accounts, I'm gonna do partials. By the way, yeah, it's gonna be micros. It's gonna be micros. It's gonna be free micros, selling 1, 2, maybe adding 1. But yeah, the main position will be at the bottom and adding smaller position. That's gonna be the idea. So it's not gonna be averaged down by 50%. Yeah, 100%. Very bad price action, guys. I don't know if you notice how the candle move. They move very bad. ATR right now back at 20. That's not bad, at least. Volume wise. Okay, we're getting some push there. Amazon, Apple, everything that is stronger. The break higher is the one that makes more sense for me. Break lower for the moment does not make sense. Break higher make more sense. We try to give a sense to this market, but in reality there is no sense. We just take with the break we have to take. Come on, market. Oh, it's coming down. Okay. Should we short? No, I'm not going to short. I mean, Nvidia is pushing down. But I really need to see other coming down as well, like Apple. Apple is in the positive side. Tesla is short inside. Let's see. The break is here, guys, if you're going to take it. Let's see. 369. $370 there, 369. Let's see. Nvidia really is the one pushing down the price. Break happening right now. If you get the break, I wish you the best. 55 is the target. Let's see. If I like it, I might enter again on the second attempt here. It needs Apple to be stronger, weaker. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna get the short there. Yeah, I'm gonna try the short, guys. Now I like it more. I have to record my screen. Let's get this short continuation. Let's see if I'm gonna get screwed. ES is weaker. Everything is weaker on the weak side. Hey, Mohammed, what's up? Come on, market. Give me this short side. This is with my PA accounts. So that is the trade that is valuable right now. Breakeven will be at 60s if we reach it. If we reach it right now. 13 seconds. We need this candle to be still on the weak side. Okay. Come back. That's nice. Give me the 60s. I will put my stop loss in breakeven. That's not what I was looking for, that week again. Stopped out. Let me close my live, no, my recording, not my live. Yeah, another one, another loss, third loss of the week. Okay, at the beginning I didn't like this short, but I liked it after when I saw some probably downside momentum with the main stocks, but it was not really. Apple was still on the strong side. Yeah, again, another avoidable one, but I'm learning. I'm learning on when to avoid the trade. But this was another. If you're doing great, guys, learning process, learning process. Also, a day like this is blowing up so many accounts from people. Avoidable loss. Also, this one was an avoidable loss. Apple was doing higher high, higher low. Amazon the same. Microsoft the same. So it was free against the two main stock. So honestly, it was avoidable. It was avoidable. I just need to be calm of like accepting of missing a trade. Missing a trade is fine. I could have missed 3 trades between yesterday and avoid a lot of loss. Why are you looking at the stocks now? Nick Whitton. Okay. Why I'm looking at the stocks now? I'm trying to improve my edge by avoiding trades that do not make sense on direction-wise. So let's say right now the short side, the short side would have been a break for me with a 15 minutes break. But if I see that Apple, Amazon in this case as well, Microsoft that are 3 of the main stocks of the Nasdaq are not going down, but they're going up, that's good chance that the break lower is going to be probably a fake out, like it's happening right now. As ATS said, Nasdaq are formed by the 100 stocks. So the 100 stocks are the one that move the Nasdaq, not the opposite direction. So if Apple and Amazon right now and Microsoft are keeping their levels, making higher high, higher low, then there is good chance that I did not backtesting when I look at the stocks. That's for sure. I did not do that. But that's why I'm saying I'm looking at it and improving. I'm learning on the way. Even in case I would have taken the trade if it was not for backtesting. If it was for my normal 50-minute strategy, I would have taken the trades no matter what. But I'm trying to looking. And like Active Trader Society said, it's impossible to backtest it. You have to grow with it, because backtesting one chart and backtesting 6 other charts at the same time, it will take you 6 months to do 1 month of backtesting. It's really hard. Break higher here at 29. That is the next trade for us already if it comes that strong. You don't have to be an algo to backtest. You don't have to be an algo to backtest. No, I agree, Nick, but I'm saying it will take a lot of time. But it's okay. I'm backtest, I'm trading, and at the same time looking at the charts, deciding, improving. I'm in a period where I'm like focused on improving. So I get your point, Nick. 2 break-even trades. It's great. Break-even trades are great. I would say it's a great thing. Putting another order there if I get filled, guys. Just because all these look stronger right now. But let's see. Maybe screwed again. Let's get screwed. Oh, market, don't screw me. Oh, market, don't screw me for the second time of the day. Don't make me sad. Don't make me cry. Sure, better than a loss. Yeah, better than my loss. Better than my losing trades here. Why so much noise? Oh my god, I really need to clear the application. Discord app is making so much noise. Where are you? Where are you? End task. Okay. Okay, let's see. Push. Give us this trade above. Apple has gone. Yeah, that's my problem. Apple has been going up all the time, and I try to short these things. That was my mistake. Learning, improving. Let's move to the next level, guys. It's okay if I don't make money these weeks. But we're gonna come back by this summer making bank. I promise to you. I promise to you. One day, I will be champion. I love too. I think this is a test of the 50 minutes orbit on the high of the 50 minutes candle. I think this is a test of the 15 minutes. But this is the high of the first 50 minutes, right? This one. 430? That's what you're looking for? Yeah, it's mine will not be tomorrow. I really don't know what. Oh my god! I really don't know what happened to my microphone. It's not. It stopped working. Answer target muted, bro. Yes, I'm not understand. $350 of microphone and it does not work. What the heck is happening here? I spent so much money for this microphone to improve this live. Okay, we're back. I would say that was great. We can hear your blessings. Oh, that was a quick scalp. It went out in my favor. That was a lucky shot there. Yeah, I mean, you can't hold overnight with props. Yes, I think only a few allows that. I think, but they are not in future. FTMO probably allows it. Is one of the oldest one, but all the other platforms, Apex, TopStep, do not allow that. Nice one, man. Yeah, it came out to be nice. Again, avoidable one. Not just because, guys, I'm speaking again of my strategy. I'm just trying to learn. I had a difficult period the last weeks. So what I'm trying to do right now is move to an idea of trying to avoid trades like this. Even if I take only one trade per day and be like, okay, the long for me made sense just because I saw all the stocks stronger. Even if it was a news, I was like, let's see. This short did not make sense. Even right now, it's true. My brain, when look at this, says, here I'm right, here I'm wrong. There is a reason behind, there is a reason behind. Maybe there is no reason behind, but I'm trying to just to see the stocks were not in the same direction of this short side. That's mostly it. Apple was making higher high, never made a higher low, a lower low or a lower high. Why I was looking for a short. Yes, check. Yes, definitely it's true. A fake is liquidity grab, like here. Grabbed all this liquidity, boom. And right now it's coming down like as a beautiful situation. And definitely come for a break lower. Amazon correcting strong. Apple as well did a beautiful week there. Lao Tzu, how long have you been trading Lao Tzu? Lao Tzu. How long have you been trading, man? We are creating a nice environment here. More people. 2 years. Oh, yeah, 2 years. Welcome, brother. How is going your trading? How is your trading going? What are you trading as well? Are you trading with prop firms only? Or are you trading with your personal account? I'm trading for 4 years now. Freaking hell. I'm in a stage of trying to improve my strategy. Let's see if I can. In the other one here, there was the only idea I had was taking this long. Even this long here would have made sense, to be honest. But yeah, easy to say. Oh, only personal account. Personal account futures or stocks or options? Tell me more about your life and I will tell you. Guys, remember to put a freaking like in that video. 6 people put the like. I'm gonna kick your butt, each one of you. Futures, okay. Futures are nice. Futures are nice. So right now I'm improving a lot, step by step, improving more and more, looking at the charts, looking at the stocks as well. So right now, what do we have? We have Amazon that keeps correcting from the top. Apple kind of, but did not make it a lower low. I think it's just shitty price action today. Looking at the freaking stocks. I think you need a mental shift. What can be a mental shift? Tell me more. I like to speak about psychology of trading. It's my passion. A new brain. I probably need a new brain. After working with you, Matthias, I don't need. I need a new brain. I knew everything. Not a strategy or some backtesting. Tell me more. Psychology side is something I love about trading. The last year and a half has been my passion. Understanding my emotions has been my focus in the last year. That's why I've never broke a freaking rule in the last year. Never took more than 2 trades. Never broke a max loss rule. Never took a trade after 10.5. I will vomit if I do one of these things. You can text me in Discord. You can text us or here. If it's not a problem for me to say, you can say anything. Are you trying to sell me a course, let's say, in private? Are you one of the AMSA fake accounts? I'm just joking with you. I'm just joking with you. Leo Tzu, you have to understand that here 99% of the time I joke. Are you Tanja's? Are you Tanja's son? Because if you're Tanja's son, oh my God, I'm gonna block you. Are you ICT? Are you ICT himself? $420. Look at that. This is a shitty person. I was unprofitable long time. I was unprofitable for 3 years. I mean, I was profitable last year. No, don't take me wrong, guys. I made money last year. I'm positive this year. It's not that I'm negative. I'm just going a period where I'm improving my strategy, improving my way of trading. And that's all. It's a normal. This is a normal situation. I knew it was going to happen because I knew I wanted to move to something more profitable. It just kicking my ass sometimes, but today closing break-even, it's a great day. Evaluation, we don't care. That was especially because I freaking got from this pack here. That was horrible. What do we have as well? Oh my God. What do we have here? How many people we are right now? Still 6 people like the video. But the fact that Lao Tzu, okay, I get your point. Okay, let me explain. My rules are 3 main rules. Then we speak about strategy. Rules of trades are not more than 2 trades per day. I don't trade after 1 hour. And I don't break my max loss rules. That is 2 trades anyway, 2 losing trades. My 15-minute strategy that I've been using for 11 months, it's a great strategy. But it was something I wanted to change. It was something I wanted to push slightly on the profitable side. Why? Because I had accounts with 94 trading days, not blowing them up, not blowing them 94 days, trading them every day. 94 days, guys, that's 5 months. 5 months for an account with $2,000 drawdown with a prop firm, never blew up, but never got a payout. So that account was staying there. Definitely it's fair enough that if I stick to something and probably, you know, it will make me money at the end of the year. Probably if I stick with it, keep doing it, I will close the year at $30,000, $40,000 of probably profitable money, better than last year. But my idea as well is I know I have potential to make more. That's my point. So the 15-minute strategy, yes, I can do very 100% mechanical and take the first 2 trades and move on. I've done that. But I just noticed that in the long run, it can be profitable in the last year. We have back tested as well. It can be as well not that profitable, but we are just trying to move to something a bit more profitable. The funny thing is that I'm not attached to money, as you might think. I trade accounts for 90 days. 90 days. Trust me, if I was attached to money, the account was blown after 10 days of not making money, 20 days, 30 days, 40 days, 50 days. 5 months having an account not making a payout, that shows I was not attached to money. Honestly, it's not about that I don't accept your comment. I totally accept any comment. I like speaking about these things. But we have to as well see the point that if I was attached to money, right now these accounts were already blown. I look at the trade, I took the trade, I like it, I put my stop loss, my profit target, I move on. Yesterday I lost 2 trades. Today I lost 1 trade, 1 win, break even. Peace and love, not emotional, I don't care. I move on. You know when I start my day, I'm not excited. I start the live, I'm excited to trade. No, I'm not excited to trade. I don't have any emotions on when I have to take a trade. I don't have any expectation on the day. I'm only excited because I do the live session. So I speak with people, I speak with you guys. I like it because that makes me things. But the fact of being negative on the day, no. I got emotional only 2 weeks ago, not because of P&L, but just because of the strategy was not performing. I was just taking losses over and over and over. And then when I decided to change it, I made a mistake of changing too much rules on the same time. PR, against sideways, you get smoked. Definitely I got smoked yesterday and today. But the funny thing is that I had an idea of not taking the trades. So I just need to trust myself of not taking some trades right now because it's something new. Because my brain has been forced to take a trade the same way no matter what for 10 consecutive months, that right now for me it's hard to detach to the fact of, okay, I see these things that you want to apply. I think that the break won't work, but my brain is telling me, my inner brain here is telling me, you have to take the trade. You've done it for 10 months, take it again. But that's it. Maybe you've been lost in a loss avergence. What is avergence? I'm experienced the best traders are dynamic and see the big pictures. The best algos turns a strategy off and depending on market conditions. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Yeah, and as much as we've tried to, guys, to be for me, that's one problem of trading environment is that each one of us has one way of style of trading. Each one of us has a way of strategy trading. Each one of us makes money in a different way that does not make sense to the other guy. One guy can come to you in 6 months and tell you that you're not making enough money because you're not doing this and this. And then you're going to be like, yo, what the heck? Maybe you're right. I'm going to change this. But in reality, that was his style of trading. That's his way of trading. That was what he does. That is comfortable and profitable for him, right? And what is profitable for someone else might not be profitable for you. EA never performs every time the same. EA, what do you mean with EA PR? But really, trust me, when you're speaking about psychology, on execution of a trade, that's not a problem for me. My account survived too much. to blow up accounts. One thing I've seen the same amongst the best traders is that they all look for situations where big moves are likely, and then they take pick for potential reward and high profit entry. Anik, I think what you said confirms what Active Trader Society said about hand trader makes more money than algo traders, because that people that have a kind of experience of reading the market know how to push, where not to push. But then, of course, there is the one that are not good at that, and they are good at mechanical way, and that's it. That means that you are in a losing streak and that you are afraid about your strategy and your money, and you don't realize in that moment because your brain is failing in some complicated shit. Wait, that means you're in a losing streaks and you're afraid about your strategy and your money, and you don't realize in that moment because your brain is failing. I get your point. The fact is that this is not really a losing streak, because last week I was green. I made $6,000 with only 3 accounts. This week I'm just down 2 trades. It's not a losing streak. Honestly, it's just I got 3 consecutive losing trades. I had losing streaks of 8, 9, 10 consecutive red trades. It's not about that. It's about the 10 months. It's okay. Let's explain this. It's not about that I'm having I had 3 consecutive red trades. If you go to my past accounts, I had 8, 9, 10 consecutive red trades. What I'm looking right now at the picture is, guys, I'm looking at, okay, I've done 11 months of trading where I executed as I should. I made this amount of money. I'm profitable, blah, blah, blah. Can I do something to push? Because I can. There is prop firms account. There's these things. I can push. I want to find something that makes a little bit. It doesn't mean that I need to change my 15-minute strategy to something else, move to a breaker test. I can still keep the 15-minute strategy. I'm just trying to find somewhere where to put an edge on my side. And some people might look at this, okay, you're breaking your rule. I follow this strategy for freaking 10 months. Do the same for 10 months. Trust me, many people didn't do that. But it's just a matter of I want to try to improve it. It's not a matter of right now the red streak. I'm looking at the big picture. I have like 10 months of trading. I mean, that's the best thing. Is I'm doing with these prop firms. This is the best accounts to try, because I put only a few $100s. How much I'm up, because I always see it. I'm up $4,000 this year. Means I'm profitable $2,800, like $3,000. I could have been much more profitable. I missed like $8,000 payout because of freaking bad period, but 4,500. I mean, 3,000, around 3,300 profitable there, and they're not my accounts. I mean, from $1,000 to $20,000, that's a freaking 20x time, man. Getting long here. Let me see what you're looking there, because I might take it with my evaluations. Oh, I like this. I like this retest of the opening. Apple pushing. Oh, everything is definitely in a better position right now. What the heck? Oh, that's not the opening print level. This is the opening print level. What the heck is this level here? Yeah, it's 1,000. That is the beauty of prop firms, is that 1,000. If I put $1,000 in prop firm, I can have 20 accounts, 20 funded accounts. No, bullshit. 8 funded accounts, 7 funded accounts. That's why I like prop firms, is that I can risk this money, improving my back testing as well at the same time, but don't risk that much money. That's mostly it. Nico, it's your like yeah, that's yeah, $1,000 to $20,000. It was a bit too much. I did $1,000 to $10,000 with the options. I felt the strongest trade ever. I felt the strongest trader ever. Answer, are you getting profitable backtest on 50-minute chart? 50 minutes? What do you mean profitable backtest? Ah, I got a freaking... You have a $250,000. What the heck, man? What is your size when you're trading? Give it to me there. 3 minutes. Okay, now I understand. What is your losing sides? There's competition right now between ladies in Active Trader Society. No, I'm just joking. Don't make competition. We are the traders, and traders are the best friends in the world. We understand each other's. The emotions we are having, the roller coaster, the pain. Yeah, I'm trying to get along for the breaks higher. I'm gonna risk these lows here, maximum. No, no competition. I'm just joking. Yeah, show who has it bigger. I have one rule. I think you wrote there. One rule. Yes, one. What is your rule? After the first red trade. La 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 la. In a month. Okay, that's a good rule. So you're very conservative. 250,000. That's 2.5k. That's 5k. So 2% per month. I like it. It's your personal money, so I will definitely understand that. Have you ever thought to use prop firm's account? You might leverage without. You might leverage. But if you swing trade, no. Yeah, if you're a swing trader, that's a bit different. You spoke about swing trading before. Market. Can I get a little push? 5 more minutes. We're done with the live, I believe. We're closing break-even today. That's good. Don't look at the $7,000 loss. That is from my evaluations. We don't care about this as a P&L of the day. So we closed at 25, 75, 87, $99 loss. Guys, remember, if you want to use FX Trader Funding, 80% is off right now. 80%. With my code Hamza. That's my code. That's my name. That's my code. Easy to remember my name. Just remember the handsome name. That's it. 80% off. We're getting to push higher. That's the only things I ask in these channels, nothing else. If you want to use any FX Trader Funding account, use my code. That's the only things. I will never sell a course. I'm creating a newsletter right now, and that one is totally free as well. So I'm just working on it. Totally free as well. Fight, 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 fight. As, yeah, see why Matthias give me headache at work. These guys will give me. He wants only fight people to fight. Okay. If I will ever, you know, I will be ever asked to help. Hey guys, AMSA, we need to fire one guy in the company. Ozek. Even I don't let them finish the sentence. I'm gonna say it right away. Ozek, Matthias. I'm gonna just flatten it soon. I'm gonna then be done on the day. Yeah, I will miss you. You know, at the 4 a.m. in the morning when I wake up to start work, and I'm like, who is texting me? Matthias. What the heck is this guy? Let's see. Thank you. I am more fun when I make money. No, I'm just joking. I'm fun every time. Let me close this trade and we are done. Let's go. And I'm gonna call myself out from this. It's time to close for today. We are done. I need to calculate how much I lost on my PAs. How much is that? 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 13 plus 13. $101. That's a beautiful number. What the? Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Push it. Push it. I want more. I want more. I want more. I want to become rich. Okay, that's okay. I want to become rich. Forever rich. Push more. Push more. Done for the day. Recovered some of this freaking loss there. Guys, thank you so much for coming. Oh, look at that beautiful things flying. Sure, it was gonna come. Of course, after a big, nice green candle, of course the next push will come. But it's okay. Adding Apple is grinding. Yes, honestly, I looked at it. I entered long here because of Apple. I mean, I went long here because of Apple, and the general stocks were forming a nice idea of pushing higher. Yes, yes, and I saw Apple. Apple looked amazing. That was the idea long here. Adding here was as well possible, but yeah, I'm done. Evaluation. These are evaluations. We keep improving tomorrow, guys. We recovered some loss. That's great. $1,100 loss on these evaluations. It's a great loss. I mean, $2,000 in account 156, just because the freaking Quant Tower did not flatten my position before, somehow, for some reasons. I don't know. We are in breakeven with the PAs. I would say it's a great day, guys. Great day. Let me think about that. If I miss this trade right now, that you make me think about that. This was the first long, and what was the next long on the strategy? This was the long at 10 a.m. 15. This was the high. I would have been a fake out break. Okay, here. Is it? Yeah, fake out break. Yeah. Guys, have a beautiful day. Love you all. Thank you so much for coming as always. Nice chat today. Always having fun together. It's reaching my area of level there, but honestly, the idea of getting here to touch it was good. A lot of choppiness that was avoidable. This break was avoidable for sure. Would have taken the next break higher. Good chance I would have lose it. So no matter what, I think it's good. Guys, have a beautiful day. See you tomorrow.